So here is an isometric view of a component which came in many of the exams in most of the universities. It's a comparatively very simple diagram. Let us see how to create their front, top and side views. So here is a 3D model of the same component. Let's rotate and see how the object appears from different directions. This is a complete solid. Now let us proceed to draw its different views. Front view appears like this. There is a cut here and there will be a hidden edge passing from here. Let us enable the hidden edges to exactly see how the hidden edges will appear. So you can see here there are two edges visible, whereas hidden edges are appearing as white lines over here. If you see this edge over here, this is actually an intersection of an arc and a face. And because that is happening here tangentially, we need not show that. This line at the bottom here is actually where the curvature moves and hence needs to be shown as a hidden edge. Let's now move back to the isometric view and now see how it appears in the top view. In top view there are no hidden edges. All the edges that you see here are visible edges, hence need to be drawn. Let's come back and finally see the right side view. In the right side view, as you can see, almost all the edges are visible except this one over here, which is a hidden edge, which is hiding behind this face over here. So that is the side view. Let me proceed to show you how it is drawn on the drawing sheet. So this is how you need to draw it, with all the visible edges drawn as continuous dark lines and hidden edges with dotted dashed lines. They need to be present in same line, the front view and side view, as well as front view and top view, with all the dimensions that are mentioned in the diagram appearing in either of the two views. Unless there is a round edge in the third view also, there is no necessity to mention any dimensions in it. This is just used for reference to fully define the geometry without any confusion. So thank you for watching this video. If you want more such videos, stay subscribed to our channel. I have placed a link to access this particular file using your browser in the descriptions of this video.